Hi guys, it's Magdalena from Thermomix. Welcome to my channel. Today we will do a bit of a different video. I haven't done it yet, so we'll see whether you like it. I love cookbooks, therefore I've decided to maybe share this passion with you and go through one of the latest Thermomix cookbooks that I've just received, called Meals in Minutes. You saw the cover, because I don't know whether you'll be able to see it here because of the light. It's divided into two bigger sections. One is called Meals Under 30 Minutes and one is Meals Under 45 minutes. So let's go through the recipes here in this video, and let me know in the comments below which one you would like me to cook or which one you need help with, and I will be happy to cook with you on the next video. Please make sure to choose one that doesn't require baking though, because my oven is not working yet. Another piece of news is that I am starting uni, and it is to do with nutrition. So please subscribe to my channel to get some tips about a healthy lifestyle and healthy food that I will be really happy to share with you and show you my journey through the uni. So let's start, guys. So that's the book, Meals in Minutes. That's the newest cookbook by Thermomix. Let me know what you think. Let me know which recipe, guys, you'd like me to cook in comments below. And make sure it's not the one to bake in the oven. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next week. And because I love cookbooks, that's why I thought, I'll share it with you.